Hello students, this is fourth part of your third chapter and the chapter name is Fiber to Fabric, and today we'll do the word meanings and exercises. Before doing the word meaning and exercises, we will see the summary of this chapter and some important words. So let's see. Now these are the important words. Look here. Your first word is spinning. You have to write these words in your notebook also. First word is spinning. Spinning means to make thread from wool in olden times. To make thread from wool in older times. The second word is weaving. Weaving means the process by which fabric is made by crossing two sets of threads. Next word is flexible. Flexible means material can be bent easily without breaking. Fourth word, knitting. A process of making a cloth by using a single yarn at a time. Knitting means a process of making a cloth by using a single yarn at a time. Now the word is synthetic. Synthetic means an object made by human being from chemical substances. An object made by human being from chemical substances. Next word is ginning. To separate cotton fibers from seeds. Next word is retting. To separate fibers from plant by rotting the stems in water. Shearing means to shear a sheep means to cut its wool off. Next word is sericulture. The rearing of silkworms for production of silk. Next word is spinneret. It is a device which contains fine wool. Now these were the important words. You have to write these words in your notebook. So take a screenshot or you can pause the video to write it. Now let's see the summary of this chapter. First point is clothes are one of our basic needs. As we know, cloth. Clothes are our basic need. Second, the kinds of clothes people wear vary from place to place. Means you wear different types of clothes at home, and you wear dress when you goes to school, and you wear different types of clothes when you go for a party, etc. Third point, the Chinese obtained silk from silkworms and made cloth from silk. Fourth, fibers are like thin strands of thread that are woven to make fabrics. Next point is, spinning also increases the strength of fibers by twisting them together. Next point is, socks and many other clothing items are made of knitted fabrics. Next, cotton is a soft fiber that is obtained from the seed pods of the cotton plant. Jute is the second most important fiber after cotton. Next is, the rearing of the silkworm for production of silk is known as sericulture. Now after it, we will see the exercises of this chapter. So in first portion, here the fill in the blanks are given. First fill in the blanks is given here. Weaving is a process of arranging two sets of yarns to make a dash. And the correct answer is fabric. Right here, Fabric, fabric. Second number, dash is used to make jeans, which is made from cotton. And the correct word is denim. The spelling is DENIM. Third, dash plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. And the correct answer is cotton. Number 4, the fibers are made into yarn by dash the strands together. And your answer is twisting. 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 Number 5, after shearing, the dash is cleaned and dash into fiber. So here you have to fill two words. In first fill in the blanks, write here wool, and in the second part you have to write spun, SPUN, spun. Number 6. Nylon and polyester are dash fibers. And the answer is synthetic. 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 Next heading, number B. Tick the correct answers. MCQs. Here are 4 options in each question and you have to find which one is the correct answer. So first question is, a number of fibers are twisted together by dash into long threads. And the options are number A, spinning, number B, picking, number C, ginning, number D, none of them. And the correct answer will be spinning. Second number, the Chinese obtained silk from dash and made cloth from silk. And your options are number A, earthworms, number B, silkworms, number C, snails, number D, insects. So your correct answer will be number B, silkworms. Number 3. Cotton is a soft fiber that is obtained from the dash of the cotton plant. And your options are number A, stamen, number B, stem, number C, flowers, number D, seed pods. And the correct answer is seed pods. Number 4. Jute is the second most important fiber after, and your options are number A, silk, number B, hemp, number C, wool, and number D, cotton. And your correct answer is cotton. Number 5. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning dash. And your options are machines, number B, charkha, number C, apparatus, number D, all of them. And your correct answer is machines. Now your 6th number is, synthetic fibers are obtained from number A, mustard oil, number B, crude oil, number C, coconut oil, number D, coal. And your correct answer is crude oil. Number 7. Removing the wool from sheep using special clippers is called? And your options are number A, shearing, number B, picking, number C, ginning, and number D, spinning. And your correct answer is shearing. Now we will see the true false. Write T for true and F for false statement. First is given here. Weaving is done on looms which are hand operated or power operated. So this statement is true. Write here true.